So hi everyone, in this video we will explain how to create electronic material using Hotpotato version 6. This program was created by the University of Victoria in Canada. So Hotpotato basically is a program that is gonna be used to create didactic activities that can be developed just with a computer and internet. So the main idea here is to design your own activities and is to have your own bank of electronic materials and also cover your students' needs. So let's just study some of the features of Hot Potatoes program. So the first one is it's free, so you don't have to pay to use it, and it is used for educational purpose. So you can integrate the activities with your blog or your Moodle, and once you download the program, you can use different languages. It is easy to use, so you don't need to be a program computer to handle that program. It can be applied in different subjects, not only in English but also maybe in Spanish or social studies, whatever subject you teach. So the exercises are written in HTML or JavaScript. So it's gonna let you to uh, use it in Windows or Mac or any other system that you have in your installed in your laptop. Okay. So well, let's go and take a look at the web page where you can download the program. So basically here, this is the link where you can download the program. Once you're here in this web, you can go to download section. Okay, so when you select this option here, it's a Hot Potato 6.3 installer. So this is the one that is used for Windows. Okay, so now let's take a look at the main window of the program. This window will appear once you download your program. So once you're here, you can take a look at the main options. So the Hot Potato is gonna be compounded by 5 applications. The first one is JClose. JClose is an option that is gonna allow you to design activities with fill in the gaps. Okay. So JQuiz is gonna give you the chance to create quiz with multiple answers, and JCross is gonna help you to design crosswords. JMix is this one here is gonna help you to design this kind of exercise where the students has to organize the sentences. Okay. JMatch, well, is gonna help you to relate the words from the right column with the ones from the left. Okay. And finally, we've got the measure. That the measure is gonna help us to combine all the activities that were created in one web, only one web page. Okay. So the match will offer us the option to sort between all the activities that you already created for your students. Okay. So now, well, what we're going to do now is take a look at all the activities that were created, that we are going to create, I'm sorry. So the first one is JClose. So we give a click on JClose and we wait until it loads. Okay, that's the main window. Now what we're going to do is to write a title. Here we can right here describing our classmates. Okay, that's the title of the exercise. So it is important to know that you have to keep your files in the same folder. Okay, once you save your file, okay, you have to explain the activity. So but first of all, okay, we go here to this option, is save, and I'm going to look for the folder and I'll give a name to the file. I write here giving descriptions. Okay, giving descriptions. That's the name of my file. Okay, so this activity, as I told you, is gonna be used for filling the gaps. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is to copy and paste a reading that I have in Word. So once you have your reading, you can select here the words, okay, that that you want the students to fill in the exercise. Okay, so let's begin with just some adjective, whatever we want to. So let's write here, for example, let's select quiet. Okay, we give a click on this option. It's a hueco, it's in Spanish. So if you want, you can give a student a clue. Okay, or you can give the students possible answers. So for example, we can give them a synonym. We can say come. Okay, we give okay. So here is gasher as a black. That's another adjective. Okay, we click on the option and we can say here color, for example. What we're going to do now is to add a picture that can lead the students to know a little bit, to get to know that person. Okay, so the picture basically what it's going to do is to make the exercise a little bit more attractive, okay, for the students. So to add a picture, I'm going to I'm gonna click on this option here. Okay, so I've got a folder with a picture of of all my classmates here. So the first one is Jose. Okay, give a click on Jose picture. Perfect. I've got a good size. You have to be careful of the size of the picture, and I'm gonna say to put it on the center. Okay, so I give it okay, and that's it. So again, click on the option and I go to look for Milsa's picture. Here it is. Okay, perfect. And if you want to take a look to the activity, we go here to this option, or you go to crear página web para navegadores, and you have to give this you have to write the same name that you already wrote before. Okay, so this is the HTML file that is gonna help you to show the activity on the browser. Okay, so we give save, and you said look at the exercise in my browser, and that's it. This is the presentation of your activity. Okay, okay, it's a J quiz. So we click on, we wait until loads. Okay, you write the title of your exercise again. So we write here the title is describing my classmates. Okay, so here you can write the question. For example, I can say what is Milsa like. Okay, since I've got a Word file already open with all the words, I'm just what I'm going to do is the same. I'm just gonna go to Word, copy and paste. Okay, the different adjective that the students already saw in Milsa description. Okay, so I'm gonna stop the video here, and I'm gonna copy and paste the words. So I already pasted the words. So basically what I'm going to do here is to give the students some possible options with one question. Okay, so in order the students to know what is the correct answer, I have to check on the checkbox here, and I have to let them know that this is the correct answer. So this part on my right, this is like indicaciones to help the students to decide which could be the answer. Okay, that's optional. So what I'm gonna do here to make the exercise more attractive is to add a picture of each one of my classmates, so when the student click on the wrong answer, it can show you the face of the person. I give a click on this icon to select the picture. So I'm gonna put the first one is open, brilliant, sincere, humble. We said that is Kelly. So I'm gonna write here the picture of Kelly. I reduce the size of a picture and I give OK. The second one is the correct answer. This is Mills, outgoing, kind, respectful, and charming. So I click on the icon of picture and I check of Mills an answer. Okay, check on Mills' picture. I've clicked OK. I have to select on the correct answer. So these characteristics correspond to Kelly's qualities. So I add another picture and it says short answers, respuestas cortas. So the short answer is that she's tall and has medium length hair in and thin face. And this is the final presentation. Okay, so what is Milza like? So open, brilliant. Do you think she's Milza? No, she's not Milza, she's Kelly, you see? So this is Kelly's picture. So what is Milza like? We said serious, gentle, mannerly, quiet. So here should appear the picture of this person. Who do you think is? That's Joseph. Right, you're right. So Milza is outgoing, charming, respectful. So this it was the option that we selected in the last when we were designing the exercise. Okay, so your score is 33%. So we give it OK. We have the option to show all the questions that we designed. Remember that we designed 4 type of question. Gina, which one do you think is Gina? A, B, or C, or D? So lovely, hardworking, didn't determine. Perfect, you're right. Letter C. We'll explain J cross. So this option of J cross is based do not forget the title. That's the very first thing that we have to write. So we can write here crossword. Okay, is it crossword? Okay, there is a option is that is a quadricula. In here you can write all the words, okay, that you want to that you want the students to practice. So you can select for example añadir pista. If you want serious, let's say serious, if the student doesn't remember, he can give a click on that quadriculum or that square once he's doing the exercise, and he can remember that serious belongs to Jose. Okay, so we give here OK, and respectful. Okay, he can respectful. Okay, timid, we can write here timid belongs to, okay, timid belongs to Surgey. Okay, we give OK, and that's it. And do not forget to save the file. So you look for your folder where you're saving all your files, and you write here crossword activity, and that's it. You've got your crossword activity already done. Well, here is the presentation for the crossword. So remember, we have to click on one number And it give you the name of the clue that we already wrote while we were designing the exercise. So in this case, this word belonged to Jose. So which word do you think it is? I don't know. So we can give a hint. Hint is like a help in the exercise. So probably we remember the vocabulary from Jose, and there is a word that was serious. You enter, okay, it said serious. So number 2 or number 6, let's give a click on number 2. The letter O belongs to Kelly, so that quality is from Kelly. It starts with O. Wow, it could be outgoing. Okay, we give enter and that's it. So if you make a mistake, for example, well, let's see, we give letter T. We can say, I don't know, let's write anything just to uh, make a mistake. Here we write think, and when you check on the exercise, if so your score is 18, so the exercise will leave you on the web page only the words that are correct. Well, here we go with the J match. This is one of the applications that we can work with the students. So the first thing is to write a title. So very simple, we just write match the words with the names of the person. Okay, so what I'm gonna do here is to write only 2 adjectives that describe one of my classmates. So the first one is gonna be for Milza, is outgoing and caring, and here I'm gonna write Milza, and we have to save the file, okay, here, so we can right here match the names, okay. So I click on this option to take a look at the exercise, match the names, the same name of the file, save, and mirar en el navegador, and that's the exercise. Okay, so here we can match the name with the adjective. Jose serious title, okay, we have to correct serious. Surge, okay, then we check, and your score is 100%. So also you can do this with pictures, okay, and this is the presentation, okay. So as you can see, it's more attractive for the students. So for example, we can try Milsa and Gina. It's don't remember, I think it's here, humble and neat. Okay, we check. Okay, 66%. So the one on black are not correct. As you can see, Milsa and Gina are not in the correct position. Okay, anyway, this is the other presentation for pictures. Okay, well, the next one is the J mix. It's a pretty easy exercise. So click on, and we wait until it loads the window. So here basically what they are going to do in the JMix is to organize one sentence. Okay, so I'm gonna write so very simple, I'm going to write one of the sentence that they have seen before. I can say Jay is brilliant, and let's see, and let's get another adjective for day and hardworking. Okay, so I save the file first of all. So this is organize. Let's see, organize sentence. And again, we click on this icon, or you go file, design web page, and you give a name to the link. Dice, debe empezar la palabra they siempre con mayúscula. It says because it's the first name of the sentence that you are going to organize. So it said they, there you have a click, is, if I make a mistake, it said working and brilliant, it said check. They is hard working and brilliant, it said try it again, sorry, that's not correct. So they is brilliant and hardworking. So we check, and it said it's correct. Okay. I should remember is the application that is gonna help you to combine all the activities that you already created before. So the very first thing is to add all the files that we created. So we've got a folder with the name of the files. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 exercises. So is it okay a todos? Okay, so we save the file. This is the final project. Okay, we said final project, and we said construir unidad. This is the option that is gonna mix all the exercises. Okay, we wait until it finishes, and it says, do you want to see the unit? Okay, we can say yes. Okay, that's the final web page that we have describing our classmates. So here we've got the first exercise. Okay, so for example, it said Jose is very, remember we wrote synonyms, calm. So synonym for calm, according to just a description that we were teaching the students, is quiet. He has color black. Okay, and so on. We go up and we go to the index, and we bring another exercise describing my classmate exercise. Remember what is Mirza like? We were explaining about this before, so I give you the picture in case it's not Mirza, but we can say outgoing, caring, respectful, and charming. Good, that's a picture of Mirza. So we can show all the questions if we want to. What is Gina like? What do you think is the option A, B, C, or D? So we know the option is C, so we check on C. She's energetic. We already explained this. And she's tall, has medium, and we can write the name here. We know it's Gina. Check. Okay, perfect. So we go to the index, and we go to the crossword. Okay, so as you can see, we've got all our activities that we created. They are in one place. Go to the index and match the word with the name of the person. So open and brilliant, who do you think she is? Okay, we check. Perfect, 100%. We go to the index, we check the other exercise. Organize the sentence. Remember, hardworking, brilliant is on day. So day is brilliant and hardworking. We give on, we check. Okay, correct. Okay, that's all. I hope you have liked the video. I hope you have enjoyed. Remember, you can change all these parts in the presentation. This is only a demonstration, but you can do it much better. Okay, so thank you for watching the video, and see you in the next video, and do not forget to subscribe my channel.